All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be talking about my new keyboard. No, it's not this. This is my keyboard that I got from my Mac Studio. When Apple came out with this version, I actually have the other version as well, the more boxy first generation. This is their latest keyboard here. You can see it has Touch ID on it. And this is just a must for me when I have a Mac. This thing has definitely been through the paces. It still works like brand new. But there's something about using a Mac that's just different than using a traditional keyboard. The Mac keyboard, that is. There's not a lot of traveling feedback, and it's just different. So I decided to grab Logitech's new Wave keys for the Mac. Now, this is the Ergo series. I don't do ergonomic keyboards, but I wanted to try something different. So we're going to go ahead and move this out of the way here. Yeah, I typically wouldn't get an ergonomic keyboard, but this one just was appealing to me. It was super affordable, folks. This is $59 for an ergonomic keyboard, and it is the Ergo series. I like how they have all their things labeled by series. But as you can see here, wireless keyboard with cushioned palm rest, which is something I definitely need. And this is going to be really nice. So 59 bucks, you really can't go wrong with it. If I didn't like it, if I don't like it, I just give it to somebody else. You know, but here it is. This is for you to look at the specs and everything on here. And here we go. Let's hope I like it. And I also grabbed the new mouse as well. Let's put it out here. And just looking at the size of it, it's definitely a little nubbier, shorter than the Mac keyboard. But let's get it right here. And it's got some instructions here. It says to pull the tab, power it on, hit Bluetooth on your computer, and then boom, it should pair. You've got the Logitech option apps. Well, I got that Logitech options app, but it doesn't really do much for me. So easy pair, it says. It's supposed to be really easy to set up. And here it is. Oh yeah, that is a very nice looking keyboard. And this is going to be pretty different for me. I mean, this palm rest, I still have big hands, and so this is going to be nice, but it's all one piece. Remember the previous generations where it was a two-piece? Yeah, but you also got feet down here as well, so I'll enjoy that. But it looks like this is what I was looking for. The traveling feedback is really, really nice. I mean, this is going to be pretty impressive to deal with on a daily basis in comparison to this keyboard. You can see this keyboard right here is obviously straight in comparison. You also have this section right here. And one thing I will miss, obviously, is Touch ID, but I do have a password, you know, so that's not really an issue. But all in all, it's just a positioning of these keys, which kind of move up to the top here. You've got your home, your end, and all those pages. They're all right here. And you got your arrows down here, which is perfectly fine. I really like how it looks so far. It definitely looks like it's going to be great for long typing. That's something with the Apple keyboard. Yeah, having no feedback is just so nice. So nice. You guys know what I just spelled? If you know what I just spelled and typed out right there on this keyboard, that briefly, tell me in the comments, because I just typed something. I've typed it multiple times. This is a habit. You know, I'm used to typing it, filling in things with that. So this wave is really nice right here. And it literally is a wave. You can see right here. You see the wave? So again, I don't know that I'll follow up with a review on this padding or this keyboard at all later. I have no idea, but I just wanted to share my new keyboard with you guys. And I also have the new mouse as well. And it's going to replace my current one. This is coming from the Master Series. Yeah, this is going to be really nice. Let's go ahead and get this open here. Might as well just pop it all in one video. It's the 3S from Mac. I've bought the generations where they said it was for Mac, and for my current Logitech, it says it's for Mac. Then I also have my other one for Windows, and that one works on the Mac too. It's just a matter of slight differences in functionality, but they still work. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this is definitely gonna be nice in comparison to, you've got charging cable down here and some manuals. Yeah, don't worry about that. This is gonna be really nice. Here is the mouse that I got to go with it. I wanted to get the pale looking setup here because I was using this mouse right here. This is my Logitech that is the big boy, and I still have that in use right now. I don't know how I'm going to feel about it, but again, this is a easy Bluetooth setup, so I'll disconnect everything else and I'll get this paired up, and I'll charge this up more than likely before I start to use this. You just peel it off and it's good to go. And you can see here it's got the same functionality pretty much. Just kind of, this is an old mouse. I've had it since it's kind of new. Got the button here, scroll. It's just a miniature version pretty much. But I love that keyboard. But this mouse right here is going to be, oh, and the clicky buttons on here are so nice. I mean, this is a nice click on here. It's new right now, but it's, the difference has no sound compared to the other one. Yeah, this one has no sound, which is what I like. And then the soft touch of this keyboard is going to be really, really nice. So nice, the same grippy material that it has around the thumb area and on the side. It's very nice. Yeah, not having any sound is going to be really sleek. So there it is, man. I got some new products, man. This mouse was super affordable too. I think it was like 40 bucks or something. And this is their latest stuff they bought. Sometimes I'll just buy the new stuff that they bring out. This was 80 bucks. I'm sorry. This was 80 bucks, and it comes in a space gray, or it comes in the pale gray, which is what I have to set up here. So, 130 bucks, and you got yourself a nice setup for Mac. 140 bucks. I'm sorry. And you got yourself a nice setup here for your Mac. It's going to be much better than the Apple setup by a long shot. So I really like this, man. This is going to be really, really nice. So far, the travel and feedback on here is superb. I've been needing something, you want to feel like you're typing, and this is it. This is the way to go for me. I've got a lot of Logitech products, and I've got Logitech keyboards that I purchased in the past. They're literally like the combination one, a lot more affordable for that one. I think that combination back in the day was maybe 50, 60 bucks for the mouse and the keyboard, but it's not this quality right here. It's just an entry level that I got, but this right here is going to be very nice for long typing and sitting at this desk for a very long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my new setup. I just want to share it with you, let you know. I'll leave links to purchase down below if you decide to grab this combination. This is the latest from Logitech. If you don't know, I typically keep up with Logitech things. I may not say it a lot on the channel, but I pretty much have a lot of Logitech things. I wanted to share this one though, because this is my first purchase of a wave style keyboard. I hope I like it. The ergonomics, I really hope I like it. And this pad sold me. Plus I can get a nice combination to match, So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.